What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this self-repair pool net that I got. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this thing, including one thing that you should know before buying. So I got this pool net basically because my old kind of traditional net really started to break down. I actually got this one. It was good for a while, but as you can see, there's a hole there, a tear there, right? It just kind of started to fall apart overall. And I needed something that would be better. I've had this one for a little while now, and I really have liked it. You can see that there's absolutely no tears in it whatsoever. There's some debris in there, but there's no tears in it. But most importantly is the fact that this, they say it's self-repair. I mean, it's not technically self-repair, but the point is that if you have this, you can technically repair it if it does get ripped, right? And to do that, it really isn't a big deal. I did have, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to find it here. Okay, well, I don't know exactly where it is, but basically if there's a little tear that happens here, what you can do is you kind of stretch this out, right? And you just use your hands and you actually stretch it out from either side so that the hole will basically go away, essentially, because of how close all the different straps are inside the nylon and everything. So in a way, it does actually repair the holes themselves, which has been really helpful. And one of my biggest problems with that one, like I said, is it started to do it, and that was kind of the end of it. That's why I'm replacing it. This one, not so much. Now, the other thing to know about this is that it does come in two different pieces, right? This is the net. This will come as one piece here, which, I mean, pretty simple, self-explanatory. This is the little attachment that you take and you have to put inside of the pool rod in order to attach it. Now, the one thing to know about this, and this was kind of weird to me, so when you press down, right, you can see here, it'll actually push down this let me get a better view here. It'll push down this second little button here, or knob. So what I did is I pushed it in here, right? You push it in, you do that right there, right? And you get it all set up the way that you need. And then you essentially will attach this to that. You don't really use this middle one. It's just to press down so that everything will come out. That's kind of the idea, right? But this is the one that you'd attach this to. And you can see here, it connects perfectly, no issues at all. I will say from a usage standpoint, and one thing that you definitely need to know about this, so it works really well. I have no problems with it. The only thing is I may recommend that you get the bigger one. I actually got the smaller size. This was the smaller one. I didn't really know which one to grab. I grabbed the smaller one. Kind of a mistake. It has it does a really good job with the lip here of grabbing anything from the bottom of the pool. And I actually like the bigger one just because it takes less effort to clean out the pool. So I'd probably recommend the larger one, but smaller one works great, no problems, stability, everything, usage, just working with it pretty much every day for the most part, cleaning out the pool. It's done a great job, kept the pool really, really clean. So yeah, I definitely recommend it.